All right. Hey guys, in this video today, Jack and I are going to be doing a wood carving. I know this is primarily a motorcycle channel, car channel maybe, but today we're going to be doing wood carving. It's the middle of winter. We're freezing our butts off. We really aren't in the motorcycle state of mind right now. So hang in there, check this video out. Let me know what you think. Thank you.
Wood and I eat. Do you hear me?
I hear you.
Man, it reminds me of it was.
All right, guys, I'm going to try to find myself a piece of wood. Last time I did a video that wasn't motorcycle related, I started losing subscribers, and I think I even got a couple negative comments. So I hope I don't upset anybody that subscribed to this channel thinking they were subscribing to a motorcycle channel, because primarily it is. But today it's winter time. Try to find a chunk of wood, but like I was saying, it's winter time, and I really don't feel like working on bikes right now. I just need a little bit of change of scenery for a day. So I'm going to do a wood carving. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Hang in there. I'm going to keep looking for a chunk of wood. I got to dig back in that corner. I got to get back in that corner and dig around.
I can.
Maybe you could fit back there. Yeah. say I cut too much? Alright, so Jack and I are running out of daylight. I'm a little dirty. Jack's a little dirty. We've been doing this for about 2 hours.
Look, when you ate and tie it,
I did this awesome skull and did a really good job on it.
He ate a little turtle. I did a churro.
I did the turtle. It was the first time I ever carved a turtle. Well, no, it was. It's the third time I've ever carved a turtle, but the other 2 times were about 7 years ago or something, 5 years ago. No, I'm not.
It how did it turn out?
This is Jack's first ever skull. He's done some tiki men.
Yeah, I had a tea and chat. We will draw out to you and we change you to how it. That way, I don't put a wood and tie it to a shawl.
That's so good. We'll take better pictures of it later in the house.
Yeah.
That was fun though, wasn't it?
Uh-huh.
And I'm going to finish mine tomorrow, so thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Starting to get everything cleaned up. I blew all the trash over to here. And pretty sure that belongs in the trash pile. I have at least 2 hours worth of work left on it, but whatever. It almost looks more like a chameleon than a turtle. Okay, here's the baby toy tester, right?
Yeah.
What do you think, Joseph? Is the turtle going to get you? Needs a little bit more detail work. Right? You like the turtle, Joseph? Huh? Not too interested? He just wants those little balls. Maybe I'll finish when it warms up.